field action.
Get it fresh, man. Should be ready. Ready, go!
On fire! Use the tomahawk!
Throw it! Throw it!
Ah! Hit! Hit!
Get him!
Hit!
Hit!
That's what a possible shit. You can't do that, man. That's why I kind of wanted double tomahawk.
We're all dead.